Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to see what we are going to create today on PowerPoint. Okay, it has a great effect. Let's try to create it. At first, we need to create a platform. For creating platform, we need to insert a new slide, reformat background and color it to the color we want, this color, and apply to all. Then we create 3 rectangle, then by holding Ctrl duplicate it, then align them center, align them middle, and bring them up, and then reduce the size of them by holding Ctrl and Shift 1 and then 2. Then after that, select all 3 of them, go to shape and no line and shadow, inner shadow, and then color them up by the color we have here. Then after coloring them up, we duplicate it to make this shape. Then we make this shape in the middle and use Overdrive Sunset as a font. Then we copy that, and before copying that, don't forget to hold these 3 and bring them to front. We can bring them to front. After bringing them to front, we copy this slide, and here we just simply hold these 2 things and increase their size. Then we select this thing and reduce its size to 50 or less if you want. After that, we bring it to forward, and here we select these 3 things and bring to front. But before that, we need to copy the text. Copy the text and paste it here. Then select this 3. Select this 3 and bring to front. Not forward. Bring to front. Okay. Now we copy that. Select these 2, increase the shape size, copy the text, paste it here. Then we select this 3, bring to front, then copy this slide and increase the size. Select this thing and bring to front. Copy the text, paste it here, select all the shape, set the transition to morph, and your slide is ready. Let's take a look. If you like this kind of video, you may find many of them in my channel. Until then, have a nice time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.